Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best indoor water fountains that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Alpine WCT 202 Tabletop Fountain. To add a little feng shui to any area of your house or office, this cast iron tabletop fountain from Alpine gets top marks. It's made up of 3 tiers through which the water flows by and also 3 tea light holders that will give off a soothing glow. Everything you need comes with it, including the pump, accent stones, and candles. It measures 9 inches by 9 inches by 11, and can be easily moved from place to place until you find your best feng shui. Customers love the look and feel of this water fountain, saying it's calming and beautiful. They say the pump is virtually silent, so all you hear is the peaceful flow of water. While some wish it came with more rocks, most say that for the price, this is a fantastic way to add a little zen to any space. Moving on at number 4, we have Raoul Tabletop Fountain. This water fountain from Timberland is lauded for its soothing sounds, which is exactly what you want in a feng shui fountain. The volume can be adjusted to your liking, as everyone's definition of soothing may differ. This fountain, featuring 4 tiered bowls, stands 7.5 x 5. The bottom bowl is equipped with an LED light to provide a warm glow in the evening. It runs on electricity and features a 6-foot cord, making it easy to find the perfect place for it. Because it's made of lightweight resin, it's easy to move from place to place. Customers say it's easy to set up, and the motor is nice and quiet. Some suggest adding more rocks to better tailor the sound to your personal preference, but say that overall it's a great little fountain that adds a relaxing element to any space. At number 3, we have Namaste Buddha Indoor Table Fountain. For an extra element of spirituality and style, there's this Namaste Buddha water fountain to bring water into your home. This one measures 11.5 inches by 8.4 by 7 inches and features Buddha in the Namaste position, while other versions are available in differing sizes featuring Buddha in various positions. A light above his head emits a soothing glow, and a 4-watt light bulb is included, as are the pebbles over which the water flows. Customers say it's a beautiful addition to any room, and the sound it makes is calm and peaceful. While some say the sound of water isn't loud enough for them, others say this can be remedied by adding more water. At number 2, we have Bits and Pieces Water Fountain. While the sound of water flowing through a fountain can be soothing, a loud motor can ruin the calm vibe. This water lily fountain by Bits and Pieces is applauded by customers for its virtually silent motor. It measures just 8 inches by 10, and is designed for indoor use only. It's the perfect size with a nice, strong submersible pump that is able to push the water up the main stem, flowing down to the other flowers. Rocks aren't included, but they, or crystals, can be added to the bowl to adjust the look and sound to your liking. Customers love the look of this fountain, say it's easy to set up, and that any complaints about the motor being loud can be addressed by maintaining the water level or making sure the surface it's on isn't causing a vibration. They report that it makes a soothing, relaxing, trickling sound reminiscent of a babbling brook. And finally at number 1, Faux Stone LED Table Fountain. Some feng shui experts suggest using a feng shui fountain that's easily portable so you can experiment with where it may bring you the best luck. This one from Timberland is easy to move as it's compact, 10 inches by 8 inches, and lightweight. The water flows down 4 levels, the highest of which features a floating crystal ball that emits a soft warm glow via an LED light. As the water flows, the ball spins for an extra soothing vibe. Customers say the motor is quiet, and while some would like to hear more of a water sound or rush, others say the sound is peaceful and soothing. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.